Hello, I am back at Rockscape. Behind me are the Sukup tanks, the silos that they've got. And I thought, I did a little video last week. I thought I'd take you around and show a little bit more while they've been emptying some of the silos down while they're reloading some cleaned grain in. So let's have a look. There are 3 1,000-ton holding silos. And there's an unloading tank, hopper, silo, whatever you want to call that one. And that is a 100-ton. This is the intake pit, and this is 200 tons an hour. And then the conveyors are underneath. You can't see them covered up. The conveyors go along. And then you've got the elevators that rise up, and then that will feed it into the tank. And this is all being cleaned, been through the cleaner to remove any ergot. So it is very cold up here with the wind. There's the intake. It follows the conveyors along, and then this part here are the elevators that lift the grain up, bring it along, and the various chutes will be opened up. And it's got a spinner there that is like on a fert spreader, and that can spin round and spread the grain out to the edges, and then they can control how that spreads out as it starts to fill the silo. Talking to the lads that it fills up the outsides first for stability rather than the centre, and it makes sure it does that evenly as it goes up. So this is one of their silos and what it looks like inside, and they're just emptying it out now. And if you do look there, you'll see what looks like giant drill bits, and those little spiral augers, they also turn round and they lift the grain up from the bottom to the top, and they oscillate and go round all this tank, this silo. They move all the way around, so they make sure the grain is dried evenly all the way through. You can see the auger moving that along, and you saw the auger inside. And this is what moves all the grain around, different parts of the different silos. I'm just at the loading bay now, where all that grain that you saw being taken out of the silo, moved into this holding silo. And these are all controlled. And with the remote control, that then opens up the chute. And that is what the remote looks like. So down in this part is where the mobile cleaner's working. Have a little look at that. And this is the part that is doing the sorting. So the grain's been fed through, and it's apparently with air, it can fire the ergot or the waste product out and eject it into a different tank. And then the clean grain's getting loaded back up to go back into the silo. So at the moment, all the feet down, the centre has stopped while it's doing a lens clean. Periodically it will go along because there's a lot of dust here in the environment, and it will clean it. So that is something hopefully a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed that, and as always I will see you on the next video.